At Gattefossé, we design, produce, and market high-quality pharmaceutical excipients and natural cosmetic ingredients. We are strengthening our international presence by opening a new manufacturing site in Texas, focused on lipid-based excipients. Strategically designed to increase our production capacity and guarantee the availability of our products around the world. Advancing with the same commitment found at every Gattefossé plant, we strive for excellence by following the stringent criteria of international quality standards. Our state-of-the-art quality control laboratory guarantees the efficacy and quality of our products, from the reception of the raw materials to the shipment of our finished products. Our products are developed using cutting-edge production tools, allowing us to produce large quantities of excipients. Our production line is fully supervised by human expertise and advanced technologies. This combines maximum efficiency with reliability throughout the entire value chain of our products. Sustainability is not an option. It is at the heart of our growth journey. This is why the plant was designed responsibly, following LEED certification criteria to minimize our environmental impact. With high quality and expertise, robust infrastructure, and a team of committed professionals, we are ready to tap the full potential of our site and support our customers around the world.